In this video, I will show you that how can we implement a linked list and traverse its item. But before going to the coding part in C of the linked list, I just want to explain the basic diagram of what basically the linked list is. Basically, linked list contains one thing, node. Node which contain two things, value and address. I can have one node, two node or many, so as to create the list. And the most important thing about it is that these nodes have memory locations that may or may not be contiguous. That is, this node may be somewhere else in the memory location and this may be somewhere else. So creating a linked list does not guarantee the contiguous locations. We should have a root or head which will point to the starting node, which gives a start to the linked list. So we have to preserve both the values. Now starting with the coding part, struct node. We are here creating a structure, giving its name node, int I value, which is basically this thing. Node star int next. This is a pointer of struct type node. Now in the main, we have to create the struct pointer variable, root and next pointer. Root which points to the starting node, and next pointer which we will use for putting the values and traversing the items. So here what we have to do is root equal to new node. This will create node in some memory location with the size, value and address. Now this value have to be preserved. Okay, so I will use next pointer in spite of root now. Okay, now what I have to do is just put the value in the first node. Let it be 1. Now this I have put it the value. Now I have to put the address for this next node. So what I have to do is next ptr next equal to new node. Now this will reserve another space in the memory location for the node 2, and its address will be in this part, node 1. Okay, now I have to update the value of next ptr so that it can put the value in this node 2. Okay, now second node 2. This was node 1. Next ptr I equal to 2, and now I just want to have only two nodes, node 1, node 2, and terminate the linked list. So I have to do next ptr slash next equal to 0. In this way I have created two nodes with value 1 and 2 and in one part address which points to the another node. Now I have to traverse it, so I will use a while loop here, but before it I have to use the root which I have preserved earlier, so that I can point to the starting address of the node and just traverse the list. Next ptr equal to root. Now I have given the next ptr the address of the starting address of the node 1. If next ptr is not equal to null or 0, because I have put 0 here, 0, I have to traverse the items. That is cout. You can use printf instead if you are using C. For this I have for C++ I have used cout. The item. Next ptr I, it will print the value. Now I have to increment the next PTRs, or I can say to update the next PTR, so that it points to the value which is in the next node. Next PTR equal to next PTR next. Okay, now it will point to this, it will come here. Now it will get the address of the next node and it will go there, next PTR. And this is how we can traverse the item.